Hello everyone, here we're going to be talking about the associated bones of the axial skeleton. The good news is that it's only one slide, so it will be quicker compared to the other presentations that we have seen about the axial skeleton. We have two types of associated bones, the hyoid bone, which we can see right over here, and then we're going to have the auditory ossicles, which are part of the middle ear. First, let's talk about the hyoid bone, which is this unpaired U-shaped bone. For me, it reminds me of these Dracula teeth because it has these projections up here. And it's going to be part of the axial skeleton because it is located right down the midline between the mandible and the larynx, right over here. Now, this bone is a unique bone because it does not articulate with any other bone. So how do you think it will stay suspended? Well, there are going to be these ligaments and muscles that will come from the styloid process. Remember, the styloid process was back here of the temporal bone that will attach to the hyoid bone and keep it suspended. And there are several other muscles that are going to be coming from the tongue and from the neck that will also attach to the hyoid bone. And we will talk about those when we get to the axial musculature later on in the semester. Next, we have three auditory ossicles, which are the malleus, the incus, and the stapes. These will be located, like I said, in the middle ear. So there's an external ear, a middle ear, and an inner ear, and these ossicles are right in the middle. They're going to be between the tympanic membrane and the cochlea, which is this part right over here. And the order in which they go is first is the malleus, then it's the incus, and lastly is the stapes. The way that I remember is by thinking of Miss for malleus, incus, and stapes, and they will be the ones that will be responsible for creating the vibration that will travel from the external auditory canal through the middle ear all the way to the cochlea for you to be able to process the sound waves. We will not get into details at this point, but when we get to the nervous system later on in the semester, we will talk with more details about it.